Today, I'm going to show you how to pay your T-Mobile phone bill online quickly and easily. First, head up to tmobile.com. Then, from this page, click on Now from here and go to your account. In case you had an account already, click on Login and put your information. In case you didn't have one, then simply click on Sign Up, as you will be seeing in this page, Register. Now, if you wanted to simply do it the easiest way, simply go back to your account from here and choose this button, Bill Pay. Click on it, and through this area, you are simply going to be required to put your phone number. So here, let me just click on Pay as a guest. And from this area, you will be asked to simply put your phone number twice. So phone number or account and confirm your number. Once you did this, simply click on this to do the CAPTCHA, click on continue, and once you did it, you're simply going to be required to put your credit card and proceed with the checkout. That's it.